Hi children, this is Srinivas working as a physical science teacher at Government High School Samatnagar World, Balanagar Mandal, Mechal district. Hi children, today we are going to discuss about the lesson reflection of light at curved surfaces. First of all, we should know what is meant by light. It is the invisible form of energy which makes the object visible is called light. See, my dear children, light means it is invisible form of energy. That means we can't see that energy, but it makes an object to visible. That is called light. Say, it is invisible form of energy. That means we cannot see. Meanwhile, my dear children, just now you have observed for a few seconds we cannot see any object. Means here this object, this board, everything, these are not seen by us because light is not there. So light means which makes an object to visible. Have you understood? It is invisible form of energy. That means we cannot see its energy, but it makes an object to visible. Okay. Next, what is meant by reflection? See, it is change in direction of wavefront at an interface between two different media so that the wavefront returns into the medium from which it originated. Look, my dear children, suppose this is interface. This is one media, this is one media. These two are different medias. Now, light ray, this light ray travels in this direction. It is incident at this point. This is interface of two media. Here it is incident. After incident at this point, it is getting back. It is getting back into same media. So this is reflection. Reflection means again it should come to our same media. That is called reflection. My dear children, what is this? Yes, it is the mirror. Why we are using this mirror in our daily life, you know. See, how is this surface? This is surface. This surface is plane surface. When light is falling on these plane surfaces, how it reflects, we have studied in our previous classes. Now, we are going to study when light is falling on curved surfaces. See what is meant by curved surfaces and how they will be. See, for example, you see this object, its surface is curved. Its surface is curved. So this is curved object. Like this. So in this lesson, if mirrors are having curved surface, how light reflects. So here two types of mirrors are there. Suppose you see this, its surface is like this, here its surface is like this. If surface is bulged out like this, bulged out, then this is called convex mirror. That means it will be like this. Its inside portion will be coated with some paint. Inside surface will be painted, and this outside, this surface is not coated. So this type of mirror is called convex. convex mirror. Suppose if you take this surface is coated, inside part is not coated, then it will be like this. Inside part is not coated, that is concave mirror. You see, my dear children, two types of curved surfaces here. One is convex, second one is concave. What is meant by convex mirror means, if the inside part is coated, then it is convex. If outside part, external part is coated, then it is concave mirror.